Hello students, welcome to my channel Easy Peasy Maths. Today we are going to learn about simple fractions. By the end of this video, you will understand what fractions are and how to identify them. Look, there is a pizza. It has four pieces, right? If you have eaten one piece of this pizza, then this is equals to the 1 by 4th of the pizza. It means total parts we have 4 and part we have eaten is 1. Okay, so the fraction will be 1 by 4. 1 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. Fractions are written as numerator and denominator, right? Got it? Numerator, the part we have, denominator is the total part, right? It is very easy to understand. So, if you have eaten the second part of this pizza, it means you have it in two pieces, right? The fraction will be 2 by 4. 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So numerator is the part we have, okay? Here we have it in two parts, right? And denominator is the total part, right? The total parts is equals to 4 now. So the fraction is the 2 by 4, right? We can do this in a shorter form also. We will understand this thing in the next video, right? So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole, right? A fraction is a part of a whole. It means 1 by 4 or 2 by 4. If we have it in 3 pieces of that pizza, the fraction will be 3 by 4, right? I hope you got it. Let us take one more example. Look, this is a cake and it is divided into 8 parts. How many parts? 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now we have eaten some parts of this cake. Number 1, 5, 7, and 3. Look, we have eaten 4 parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are the total 8 parts. So the denominator is equals to 8 and numerator is equals to 4. Denominator is the total part, numerator is the part we have eaten, right? So the fraction will be 4 by 8. Look, we can write this in the shorter form also. We will do this in the next video, right? I hope you got this concept. So students, now you know how fractions work. Remember, fractions are everywhere around us. Keep observing and practicing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Easy peasy maths. Bye bye.